Welcome to the Artificial Intelligence Academy. We empower you to innovate and transform the future of technology. The Academy offered opportunities I could only dream of. I still remember the day I walked through those doors for the first time. My family struggled. But now, with determination, I'm building a better future. In this series, you'll watch my life story, learn artificial intelligence step by step, so that you can become an expert too. So let's begin.
Tom, what's wrong? Is everything okay at home? No, I'm worried because I still can't find a job. Don't worry, keep trying. Allah will make a way for you. I think I should go home now. Okay, Tom.
Where have you been? Roaming around again?
I was outside sitting with my friend.
Are you ever going to work, or will you keep wasting your time like this?
Mom, I'm trying. I'll look again tomorrow and apply somewhere.
I'm so glad you're here.
I am too, Mom.
Tom, go to sleep on time. Tomorrow you have to go to a company and look for a job.
Okay, Mom.
Are you going to apply for the job today?
Yes, Mom.
Do you think you'll get a job today?
I'll try my best, but I don't know.
I hope you get a job at the company today.
May God help you. Please pray for me, Mom.
Thank you, Mr. Tom. Please have a seat in the waiting area. We will call you shortly for the interview.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Tom, you may go in now. The interviewer is ready to see you.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Have a seat. Can I see your CV, please?
Sure, sir.
So, Tom, please tell me something about yourself.
My name is Tom. I recently completed my studies and I am looking for an opportunity to start my career.
Do you have any previous work experience?
No, sir. This would be my first job opportunity.
Do you have experience with customer service or sales?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn quickly.
Thank you, Tom. Unfortunately, we are currently looking for candidates with
Previous experience. I understand, sir.
We will keep your CV on file and contact you if a suitable opportunity becomes available.
Thank you for your time, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Did you get the job?
No, Mom.
Tom, what are we going to do now? Your father did everything for this family. And after your father worked so hard for this family. After he passed away, everything became difficult for us.
Mom, don't worry. I will do something.
I pray that you find work soon.
Excuse me, young man, you seem worried. Is everything all right?
Honestly, sir, I lost hope after today's interview.
Did the company reject your application?
Yes, sir. They wanted experience and skills that I don't have yet.
Have you heard about artificial intelligence and modern digital skills?
I have heard about AI, but I never learned it seriously.
Many successful people started today. Have you heard about artificial intelligence?
But sir, I don't know where to begin. I've heard about AI, but never learned it seriously.
Tom, you should join my AI Academy from tomorrow and work hard. You can become successful if you stay consistent and keep learning. You will learn the complete artificial intelligence course from basic to advanced.
Thank you, sir. I will work hard and learn artificial intelligence seriously.
From tomorrow. Well done, Tom.
Thank you, sir. May I leave now? I will see you tomorrow at the academy.
Of course, Tom. I will be waiting for you. Good luck.
Mom, I have decided to join an Artif Academy from tomorrow. I will work hard and learn AI from basic to advanced.
Work hard with dedication, my son, and you will become successful very soon.
Yes, Mom, I will do my best. I will learn artificial intelligence, and I will change my life. Tomorrow, I will go to the AI Academy.
Hi, are you joining the AI course too?
Yes, today is my first day.
Great, let's learn together.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. Please take your seats. Let us begin. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the ability of machines to learn, think, and make decisions like humans. Artificial intelligence is a technology that enables computers and machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Artificial intelligence helps people save time, improve productivity, and solve complex problems more efficiently. Today, AI is used in smartphones, online shopping, navigation apps, and virtual assistants to make our daily lives easier. Artificial intelligence is already inside your smartphone. It helps with face recognition, voice assistance, smart cameras, and predictive typing. Search engines like Google use artificial intelligence to understand your questions and provide the most relevant results within seconds. Artificial intelligence analyzes your interests and watch history to recommend videos that match your preferences on YouTube. Artificial intelligence helps doctors detect diseases earlier, analyze medical images, and support faster, more accurate patient care.
Artificial intelligence makes learning easier by providing personalized lessons, instant feedback, and smart learning tools for students.
Businesses use artificial intelligence to automate customer support, improve services, and make faster, smarter, better business decisions. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from data, and improve without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning learns from data, finds patterns, and then uses those patterns to make accurate predictions and smart decisions. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Let's explore how each of these methods trains algorithms. Supervised learning uses labeled data to train AI models, helping them make accurate predictions based on previous examples. Email spam detection. Email spam detection is a common example of supervised learning. AI learns from labeled emails and automatically identifies spam messages. Reinforcement learning teaches AI through rewards and mistakes, allowing it to improve its decisions over time. Deep learning is an advanced branch of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to solve complex problems. Reinforcement learning teaches AI through rewards and mistakes, allowing it to improve its decisions over time. Deep learning powers face recognition, self-driving cars, and many advanced AI systems by learning complex patterns from large amounts of data. Does anyone have any questions on this? Natural language processing enables computers to understand, analyze, and communicate using human language in a natural way. Computer vision enables AI systems to recognize images, to detect objects, and understand visual information just like human vision. Computer vision is used for face recognition, medical image analysis, and helping self-driving cars understand their surroundings safely. Generative AI creates new content such as text, images, videos, music, and computer code from simple user instructions. ChatGPT is an AI assistant that helps people write, learn, solve problems, and generate ideas using simple text prompts. Excellent, everyone. Today you learned the fundamentals of artificial intelligence. In our next class, we will begin practical AI tools and real-world applications.
Every day, I am learning something new about artificial intelligence. Practice is helping me understand AI concepts more clearly. I know these skills will help me build a better future. I am improving every day and getting closer to success. My hard work is paying off. I will keep learning and growing.
Hey, come on, why are you ignoring us? We're just trying to talk to you. Hey, what's your problem, man?
What happened? Are you okay?
These two have been bothering me.
This is none of your business. Stay out of it.
Leave her alone and walk away. Show some respect.
Look, we need to decide now. I'm not sure about that plan. But we are running out of time. Let's just think it through.
We'll remember this. Let's go.
Thank you so much. You really helped me. Please, have a seat. What do you do?
I am learning an artificial intelligence course.
That's great.
So, what do you do?
I want to learn online skills, but I haven't found the right direction yet.
You should join my AI Academy. Our professor is teaching a complete artificial intelligence course from basic to advanced.
Really? That sounds amazing. I'll join the academy tomorrow. By the way, what's your name?
My name is Tom. And what's your name?
My name is Emily.
It's Emily. It's nice to meet you, Emily.